So we've got a big Infinity, we're back in it today. I'm not going to disconnect the battery at the minute, right? Why is it not telling me? About a minute ago. So I'm moved. Maybe that's fallen off, will it? Let's try that again. Oh, there, I seen something flashing there, but it was lit up on the dash a minute ago. Right, try again here. There you go, I just moved me off a wee bit. And I was going to take the battery, that's a while back, but you can see somebody's been drawing knots and crosses on it. Right. So somebody's had a wee game there. I've had this one before, why not now? Get that one done up. So, cock drawn on it. 55, it's a Rangers ref instead. On my team. On my team. So I've been drawing all over it, man. So, yes, a wee wiggle again. See, it's just, you can hear it purring there, so straight to the boot, see if we can get in. Quick. No, not yet. See if we can help me fancy. So, party people, we has I should turn the lights on up here, it's very dark. A big Infinity. That's the inverter that was in it. You can see it is crusty on the outside anyway, whether or not there's any damage on the inside, I don't know. So we've fitted that new one. This has obviously come from another car, so you've still got the tag on it. I don't know why the dealership hadn't fitted it, but so far we still can't get the start. So that's just in there now, temporary, so I've still got the brackets to put on it. So it was different. It was this, obviously a load of brackets on it that I've taken off. So I've taken the brackets that were on that one, right, and swapped the brackets for that one onto that one, if you're with me. So it's definitely never been fitted on it because they wouldn't have been able to get it in with the brackets on it. So it still doesn't start, but I'm going to see if the dash, because we put our door back together and turned our lights off on inside it that we could see. So I'm going to see if the dash is still working. We should have keys in it, or aye, we must still have battery power anyway because that keys in it. Maybe the electric seat. Just never been able to get it to fire. So I think I'd like to see how the starting system works on it, I think. So the customer had given me a load of manuals, so I'll see if he can get me the starting diagram on it and see if we can figure out how to start it. See if we can get it to run at least. So we're looking at this big Infinity. Driving torque control mode is in prohibited. Driving torque control permission, no permission, no permission. Driver torque control stop required. Right, what I'm looking for is brake pedal. Past it, stop lamp relay. That's it, won't start if you. And the brake pedal feels absolutely terrible. Right, so it's telling me on the brake. So the car knows it's on the brake, but the brake pedal feels terrible. And I don't know if it's got a servo. An electric car in here the other day, no servo. Obviously there's no wheel speeds when moving. Motion voltage 12 volts. Stop lamp. Relay off, doesn't seem to come on. Brake switch. I know. Right, so brake switch 1 and 2. So they are on, they're working. Driving control mode prohibited. I don't know yet. So, chassis control is what it's telling us on the dash. Brake control system. EV high voltage battery system. So there's nothing, there's no help with that. None. So I'll think of that system first. High voltage, battery voltage, zero amps. Inverter voltage, it's got 2 volts in it. Well, that's good because we've changed that, so. Right. And here, motor control. See what signals here. It's strange, what we know happened with the car is that it went into the dealership, had its repair, come out, made it 300 yards or whatever, and it conked it. And it never went again. That was 2 years ago. And the guy got fed up. He says, just give me my car back. So they did. And the door card was off it, the wipers were off it, inverter wires were, high voltage wires were unplugged, fuse was out it, everything. Stripped all the door cards for absolutely no reason. Said they couldn't get the boot open, they put the jump leads on it with my dad. After a minute max. Engine start request. What happens if I press the button? Hee-haw. Nothing. So, come here. Close here. Let's put it in there for restart, for vision, data clear. See what it does. Completed. Chassis control system. Still no restart date. Interesting stuff this.